Hi, it's Kevin Wright and back here with another Not So Grand Designs property documentary. This time we're in the little market town of Spilsby in Lincolnshire, and I'm here with Jivan and Peter, and we're going to look at the project that they've just taken on. They just bought a couple of months ago, just before Christmas. Jivan and Peter, thanks for inviting me around to your project that you're just about to embark on. So tell me what you bought here.
It's a large Edwardian property, approximately 400 square metres, previously used as a coroner's office, solicitors, and it's going to be a really exciting project for us to get our teeth into.
I gather the purchase didn't go as smoothly as it could have been. What were the issues there?
Yeah, you're right, Kevin. It was pretty tricky. We had a number of false starts. We kind of made offers on so many properties and before we actually embarked on making an offer on this one. And even this one wasn't necessarily that easy for us to purchase. We put in an initial offer. It was accepted, following your method, and that was really good. And then as we were going along the purchase route, he then decided to withdraw, so saying that he wanted more money. We went back to our calculator and we worked on the basis of whether it was still affordable and within whether it would still give us the money. We thought yes, but as the journey went on, we actually then decided no, we wanted to stick with the original price. It was a very, very difficult journey, and it had a lot of problems along the way, but fortunately, we were able to hold our own, and we managed to secure the property at the purchase price that we wanted it for. Just
before Christmas.
And just before Christmas as well.
Yeah, and there's a nice Christmas present.
Indeed it was. And we hope it will become still, even better. We hope it's the present that's going to keep giving and giving.
I think there's a great lesson in there, because people often say, oh, property's easy, or you can make your money and you can get deals done, in a matter of weeks or anything. Well, sometimes it does work out that way, but not always. I'm immensely proud of you because of the resilience that you've shown to just get over these hiccups where people have let you down, sellers have let you down, and your determination to say, we'll buy a property no matter how long it takes us. And this is the living proof of it, because here we are standing in it right now.
Yeah. And it has cost us money along the way. Solicitors, when you make an offer and it's accepted, you have to engage in the cost associated with it, and if it falls down, that money still needs to be paid. But we didn't give up. I think that's the key thing, not to give up, because we can see that eventually that investment that we have made will come back to us in hopefully in a period of time as we start to get this project up and running.
I'm interested to know what plans you've got for this property. I mean, it's a huge place. What are you proposing to do with it?
We've got lots of ideas and lots of sort of plans that we'd like to bounce around. Originally the property did come with some planning permission which had lapsed, and that was for 4 two-bedroom apartments. But since then we've been talking to Ian Walmsley, the planning geek, and we think there's opportunity for us to maintain 2 commercial parts to the property and actually still have 4 apartments upstairs within the planning that is allowable under planning rules. We need to obviously get those plans drawn out, get some further advice, and we may need to adjust along the way in order to make sure that we are still going to hopefully come up with a project that is still going to be worthwhile and give us the money that we are looking to make on it. I think there's lots of options and opportunities that we just need to try and nail down. We've got the space to be able to try different things.
I think that's it. When you've got a building this size, it does give you sort of different ways that you can maybe slice and dice it.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, it's also, because of the size of it, quite a scary project as well. It's daunting because it's so big. It's our first one. Have we bitten off more than we can chew? I think time will tell on that. But right now, we can see so much potential and opportunity to do things with it. So we're looking on the bright side, and actually we've got a real positive kind of slant on it, and I think we can really do some good things.
And I think that when we've looked in the market around here, there isn't many flats available for people.
Really?
So I think that's going to be an opportunity to seize. And it's worth doing that research to see what people are looking for.
So I'm excited to get the tour. Can you lead me around?
Of course, come this way.
Fantastic. So what's the plan to get this? Because this is going to be a big project. Are you going to split it down into phases? What are you actually going to do here?
Firstly, to make it watertight, to deal with some damp issues, deal with some slight structural issues. And at that point, that gives us some breathing space to get planning agreed, and then try and do it in 2 phases. We may decide to split it left and right in the building because it fits quite well with that idea, or alternately do downstairs followed by upstairs or vice versa. But I think doing it in those phases gives us a staged approach where we can finance, organise and plan to get a successful outcome.
It sounds great. I'm excited to keep track of this project with you and to see how it develops, and you'll be sending me video updates of your journey, and like I do with all my projects, at the back end of it, when it's all done, I'll come back and we'll do the wrap-up video, and we'll see what you've created, and I can't wait. I'm looking forward to it immensely.